Sorry.
Looks like you've had a rough day.
Yeah, you could say that. Feels more like I've just been forgotten.
I've had my share of those days.
So what do you even draw down here? Hundreds of people staring at their phones.
This little book holds a lot of little memories. Two cultures learning from each other. Someone lending a hand. A bit of kindness from a stranger. Sometimes it takes a friendly face just to get you to tomorrow. Happy birthday, kiddo.
Hi there. Sorry to disturb you. It's my birthday. I've got more than enough. Please. Well, this is me.
Sir, why did you sit with me?
Because there was space.